What is going on, guys? Sebastian here today, and in this video I'm basically going to kind of just update you guys where I'm at with my series that I've actually began to start, where I'm at, what has to still happen for me to actually become successful with it, and yeah, kind of like the release date, when I think it will be live or when it will actually commence and become public to everyone, because I am working hard on it right now, but I still have a long way to go, so we'll get into it right now. So far, what I've recorded is basically how to find the right products, and that's it. I have done way more than that, but I've been, like last night, I was super focused and forgot to actually record some of the content that I was doing along the lines of creating product descriptions, setting up my website, adding some cool little widgets on the website, editing some code to make things look legit, and a ton more, like adding a phone number to your business and all that stuff, creating, I don't know, like a lot of stuff, creating a shipping page or creating a FAQ page. All that stuff I've done, but I forgot to record it, so that's kind of where I'm at. With this whole little series, now what has to happen, I still have to purchase a domain. I don't even know what the store is going to be called, so I have to purchase a domain. I also have to create an Instagram page, build that up, and then I have influencers that I've kind of already found. I'll show you guys, like again, I did not record how to find them, so I have to figure out, like, it's gonna be easy. I'll just screen record my phone and record that way. So that shouldn't be too hard, but I kind of have been bad in the sense of recording things, because I'm one who just like right now, I was about to take a nap because I work with Chinese suppliers, and I kicked my printer. So I work with Chinese suppliers, I don't know if you can see, that's Alibaba on my screen right there, and they are awake, or they're working from like 7 p.m. to like 3 a.m. So I normally have to try and get in those windows and be awake and actively working at those times. So that's why I sometimes will sleep during the day and then wake up and be working at night. So that's kind of why I was about to nap. But then I woke up and I was like, then I got out of bed and I was like, okay, no, I feel like I'm in the mood to film a YouTube video. So that's why I'm doing that. But now I'm gonna go ahead and edit, or not even edit, record some more content for that series. So basically it's gonna be published the day, the magic day that is actually going to start bringing out the content, that I'm gonna start publishing it, is going to be, drum roll please, Sebastian, when you're editing this, drum roll, is going to be October 20th. So that's the date I've decided. It is in 9 days. So I have 9 days to actually get the domain set up, get my Instagram page set up, get the products kind of on my Instagram and everything along those lines, and then start marketing them and fulfilling orders and all that stuff. I'm super excited. I hope I can crush this deadline and make it my B word, just because I do believe I can have this happen. It should be super simple. I mean, it's not too complex. My biggest thing is I hope the influencers reply in a timely manner with decent pricing. So my strategy, well, I'll explain all that in the series. So yeah, I'm gonna start reaching out to influencers probably tomorrow, maybe the next day, I'm not really sure. I do have some work with other businesses that I actually operate, because it's not like I just do YouTube. I don't do YouTube as a full-time job. I wish I could, but that's not the case. I do other businesses and stuff. So right now, what I'm actually focused on with my actual, well, this is an actual business, but with another business, is I have a product that I am able to source for around right under $350. So it's a little under $350, including shipping and everything like that, from China to my house, or United States. And the sell price is around $700 for the product, so I'm doubling my money. I'm gonna be contacting this supplier on Alibaba right there once they're awake, and actually seeing if I can dropship the units instead of ordering them in bulk. Because I mean, if I want to do high revenue, like if I want to do $1 million in sales, I have to sell, I believe, 1,500, which if I have to order all of those, that's gonna cost me a lot. To order that many, I mean, it will definitely bring the cost down if I order a substantial amount, but I do not want to do that if possible. I don't want to have to spend an insane amount of money on investing into products and tying up a ton of capital. That's not something I enjoy doing, so I'm going to be seeing if I can actually start dropshipping them. And then if I can, I'll hire a VA to fulfill them, because I will then have to go through Alibaba and do the payment processing through there, rather than using Overload to fulfill the orders very simply. So that's gonna suck, but I think it's gonna be nice, because instead of having this this dropshipping store that I'm creating for you guys, the products are ranging from $10 to $30, I believe. So in order to profit $250, I'll probably have to sell like 20 units of a certain product, depending on what it is. So it's gonna be a lot more, it's not gonna be time consuming. It's just gonna take a lot more orders for me to actually profit the same amount as if with this other product that I'm actually selling on my own, or creating my own business for, I will only have to sell one to profit over $300 per sale or per unit. So that's nice, the thought that I don't have to sell that many to make a lot of money. I think that's pretty sweet. So that's definitely something I'm looking into, as well as trying to help you guys replicate it. I'm figuring out a system in place that I can find these products on a more consistent basis. I'm definitely getting into more high-priced items. I have one that's selling for $100 that I'm sourcing for $25. So I'm trying to get into those higher margin products and higher sort of sell price products, just because again it does make profiting a lot of money way easier. You don't necessarily have to sell that many to make a lot of money. So this is just kind of an update video. I really have no clue what I'm gonna there's lint flying around. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, no worries though. But yeah, it's kind of just a little update on where I'm at with this series. I don't want you guys to think I failed with it. No, not at all. It's just I don't have much time to now record videos for my channel, because right now I'm actually working on creating new videos for you that will be published in the near future. Because again, I will start publishing the videos. The first video will be me finding the products for my actual dropshipping store. Before we test influencers, it's gonna be finding the products. That video will be published October 20th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's funny because once I posted that video, one of my buddies, Matthew, I haven't talked to him in probably like a year. We used to be really close. Like we would talk almost every single day at business oriented. We were pretty well acquainted, and we used to FaceTime a decent amount, and he also started YouTubing like a year or 2 years ago when I started, and then he stopped YouTubing and I like kind of stopped talking to him, but he actually reached out to me yesterday when I posted, or a few days ago once I published my video of starting the new series, and he said like, LOL, I'm doing this right now or whatever. Well, no, he said he's in the same niche that I'm in, of women's products and women's jewelry, and I was like, oh nice dude, how are you doing with it? And he sent me a screenshot of his day that day, and he actually did $4,000 in revenue from a $1,000 investment on influencer ads, and it was on Instagram platform. So that's how I do definitely know like this is gonna be a fairly simple way, or a fairly simple sort of series for me. So it's not gonna be too big of a deal, like too hard to push through it or anything like that, but it's still something to keep me busy. And if I have nothing to do and I think of grabbing the controller and playing Xbox, and I realize I still haven't finished the series, that's when I go ahead and continuously work, because I know I can play. Oh my god, had to put my glasses on because my contacts were acting up. As I was saying though, when I went to go reach for the controller and start playing Call of Duty or Fortnite or whatever I play nowadays, I will remember like, okay, Sebastian, you haven't even finished your series and you're gonna start playing video games. Like, are you kidding me? There is so much potential out there for you to achieve. And like, the thing is, if this dropshipping store takes off, I may not give it away. I may not, I don't know, I'm kind of contemplating if I want to give it away, or if I make it work, if I just keep growing it and making a lot of money with it. Because in that case, I would definitely just keep making money with it. Why would I give away a huge source of income if I do start pulling in big numbers, upwards of $500 to $1,000 a day? I definitely would probably just keep it, maybe change the name so you guys couldn't check it out or something anymore. I don't really know. I'm still trying to figure all that out. But yeah, that's kind of why I do enjoy making these types of series. So yeah, this definitely keeps me kind of busy and stuff, and keeps me pushing myself forward. And if you guys also have any recommendations for a new type of series that you guys want to see me accomplish, or not even accomplish, just attempt, maybe I won't achieve the goals you guys have set for me or want to set for me, no worries, I'm still always down to try things. I'll definitely consider your ideas, so drop them in the comments below. But yeah, this was just, again, kind of a little update video, updating you guys on what's going on business-wise in my overall life, as well as an update on where the series is right now, because I don't want you guys to think that it's failing. No, it's not at all. It's going actually really well. Like, my site looks amazing, my products are amazing, my product descriptions are on point, everything is going actually really well. I just have to create the Instagram again and then start contacting influencers. So I'll record all of that for you so you guys have a complete guideline on how to actually launch a dropshipping business and market on Instagram correctly, because I'm literally doing it, so I'll show you guys exactly how to. Again, if you guys have not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below and the notification bell, because I will be publishing these videos on October 20th again. So I would like you guys to be notified when those go public, just because there's going to be so much value in the videos. I'm super excited for that. But other than that, again, hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, please smash the like button and comment below if you have, again, any recommendations recommendations for a future series you want me to attempt and, you know, take a stab at. And with that being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next video. I don't really know what I'm gonna post next. Maybe I'll do another update video or something leading up to this overall series launch. But yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.